There's really two different forms that we're going to use for equations in here. There's three forms kind of overall, but we don't use the third form in here. You'll use it in IB if you take an IB class later on. And if you go into any other kind of classes in college, you'll probably use the third form too. So we're going to stick to two forms. The bad news is that you don't get either of these equations. The good news is if you use it a whole bunch, you should remember it. The one that we're going to use for all equations that we do is going to be that one right there, the point slope form. And it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. A couple of things to know about it. First of all, m is the slope. So we're going to find the slope, or maybe it'll be given to us, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to use that in this equation and plug it in. X1 and Y1 that are in the equation, those are the coordinates of any point on the line. Any point, it doesn't matter what point it is. If you get 2 points, then you pick one of them, okay? The one thing to remember is that this equation does have subtraction signs built into it there and there. And that means that we have to be careful when we plug numbers in because the coordinates are going to appear to change signs because there's a minus sign in that equation. So we'll plug our numbers in. If it doesn't ask us to do anything with the equation itself, like make it y equals or anything, then we'll leave it alone. Okay, if it does ask us for a specific form, we may have to do a little bit of algebra to make that make sense.